Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing this Durga Puja look with all of you. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Firstly, I have primed my face using the Lotus Herbals Eco Stay Primer. This is a silicone based primer, so you see that I am rubbing it into my pores. Next, for some color correction, I have used the LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector. I have applied it on my dark circles, around my nose, around my mouth, and also on the pimple scars which I have on my cheeks. This will help in concealing everything and hiding these darkness afterwards. You can see that I am applying very less product. You can always layer up, but you cannot take it off. So please be careful, because if you go overboard with this concealer, it might make your face appear orange. Now, this being a quick makeup look for Durga Puja, I have skipped foundation. I have used the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer instead. This concealer is a very good coverage concealer. You can skip your foundation if you apply this concealer. So you can see that I am applying it on the high points of my face, also under my eyes, in order to conceal the darkness around my eyes. Now, taking a damp pack mini sponge, I am going to blend everything into place. In order to set the concealer in place, I have applied the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. You can see that I have used the same sponge with which I blended my concealer. I have just dipped my sponge in the loose powder and I have pressed the powder on the areas in which I have applied the concealer. Now for the eyes, I have picked up the same Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer using the tip of my sponge, and you can see that I am applying it on the eyelids. For the eyeshadow, I have used the Makeup Revolution X Tami Tropical Carnival palette, and I have applied the bright pink shade which is called Pink Panther. You can see that I am blending that pink eyeshadow into my crease and also my eyelids. I will have a cut crease done, so I am not applying the shadow on the inner corner of my eyes. I'm trying to keep it as light as possible. In the same way, I'll get my other eye done as well. So you can see the same old thing. I have taken the pink eyeshadow and I am concentrating the eyeshadow on my crease and blending it nicely with that brush. Now for blending the eyeshadow on my crease, I have taken the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette, and this is in the shade Velvet Rose. I've picked up that light brownish kind of a color and I have blended the eyeshadow on my crease in order to eliminate all harsh lines. For cutting my crease, I have taken a pencil brush and I have applied the same concealer on my lids. Taking the metallic pink shade from the Velvet Rose palette, I have applied it on top of the concealer. For the eyeliner, I have used the Maybelline Colossal Super Black Kajal. To fill in my brows, I have used the Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake. I have put on falsies, but if you want you can skip this step. I have purchased these falsies from a local store. You can check out the pack falsies which are available on Nykaa. They are very good quality. Also, I have made sure to cover the lash band with the eyeliner and applied a thick coat of mascara. For the mascara, I have applied the Maybelline Volume Express mascara and I completely forgot to take a product shot. I'm so sorry. Using a pencil brush, I have applied the pink eyeshadow on my lower lids. For the contouring, I have used the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze and I have picked the product up using an angled brush. And as you can see, I have applied it on the hollows of my cheeks and my jawline. I have also contoured my nose using the same bronzer, and for applying the bronzer I have used a clean fluffy eyeshadow brush. For the blush, I have taken a shimmery blush from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush palette, which is in the shade Sugar and Spice. Once again, I forgot to take a product shot. I will attach a picture of the blush palette here. For the lips, I have applied the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Tailored to Tease. It's a nice purple pink kind of a shade and it will complement all Indian skin tones. So this is the complete look. I've quickly changed into my sari and added few pieces of jewellery. So if you like this look, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button and share this video with your friends. If you try out this look during Durga Puja, do not forget to tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your recreations. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Keep supporting and keep loving. Bye.